All right, everyone, let's just jump straight into this. We are going to be seeing if ChatGPT or Claude can make the Akinator. Now, the Akinator is actually pretty complicated, so before we get into them making it, let's just ask for a simple explanation of how the Akinator machine or program works. How Akinator works by using probability plus a huge database of characters. You think of a fictional character. Akinator says yes or no / maybe questions about traits, real, male, famous powers. Each power answer narrows down. Dude, I can't read. Narrows the odds by comparing your responses to patterns from millions of past games. And blah blah blah. So let's see if ChatGPT can recreate this. So I'm gonna say. Now, we're going to send the exact same prompt to Claude, and we will see who wins. So, right now, Claude just started, and Akinator did, and he's already being lazy. A real Akinator, well, maybe this isn't lazy. Maybe this is the truth. That you can guess literally anyone you're thinking of is impossible in a single local file. The real one works because a million characters plus massive probability tables plus server-side learning. I'm not going to listen to all this. I'm just going to say, okay, let's see. Runs fully in one file. Asks adaptive yes or no. Narrows down possibilities logically. As long as they're in the data set, it's perfect for YouTube demo / explanation / showcase. A real Akinator that can guess literally anyone is impossible, I guess. So, sorry, guys. Okay, let's see how good this is, at least. It uses a decision tree / filtering system, dynamically removes impossible characters, guesses when confidence is high, lets you expand the character list easily. So, guys, if you actually want me to use ChatGPT, because there's a specific model called ChatGPT Codex 5.2. There's the same for Claude. It's called Claude Code. And these models can create the real Akinator, like one that can actually guess any character. Because this is like a web game, pretty much, it is gonna be a lot less robust compared to what Codex and Claude Code can do. So if you guys want to see me like use the best, because these are pretty much the world's best models at coding. If you guys want to see me use the world's best models at coding in one of these videos to make a real Akinator clone, because this is going to be a semi-Akinator clone. And has Claude done yet? No. There's going to be a semi-Akinator clone, but to see the real one, I would have to use these models. So if you guys want me to, get this video to like, let's say 300 likes, and I can do that for you guys. All right, so let's see. Okay, so ChatGPT is already done, and I know this is going to be terrible. I can add hundreds of characters, automatic learning. Let's just see how good this is first, and then I will let you guys know what we need to add. All right, guys, so this is ChatGPT's rushed Akinator game. First of all, there's not even an Akinator character. So I don't know what ChatGPT was thinking. Where's the Akinator? There's no one here. I'm looking at a blue screen, but I'm gonna guess we're gonna go with Tom Holland. So is my character a real person? Yes, he's male, and you're immediately wrong. Great job. So first of all, guys, I'm sorry, but I realized I did not have thinking mode on. So that's maybe why it was so trash, because I had instant mode. But now that we have thinking, I'm gonna say first. Alright, guys, so this is a new prompt. Basically asked, where is the Akinator layout? Because we didn't see the Akinator at all, and I asked it to add a lot more characters and just a bunch of other stuff that make it more accurate to the real Akinator game. But speaking of Akinator, let's see how Claude did. All right, so starting off, at least this one has an Akinator. It doesn't look accurate, but it is an Akinator, and there are categories we can choose. So already Claude is doing better, but we have to keep in mind that I did forget to turn on thinking mode. I had instant mode on. I'm sorry, guys. I only had instant mode, but let's just see. We'll go with anime. You know, I'm in a good mood for anime. We're gonna go with Naruto. Can Naruto fly? Maybe I need to put this in here, because I'm like, half of the screen isn't even visible, bro. All right. Can Naruto fly? Yes. Does your character have children? Yeah, he does. Can my character fly? Can Naruto fly, guys? I'm gonna say I don't know. I don't know. Yes. 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 No. Yes. Yes. Uh-oh. 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 Yes. I feel like you already guessed it. I feel like, okay, so the issue with Claude's model is, first of all, there's no it's kind of getting cut off, and he's going on too long. You've already guessed who I am. Why are you asking more questions? But I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna be patient. No, he does not. No. No. Yes. No. Dude, you have not guessed it yet? No, he doesn't use magic. No. 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 Yes. I can't do this anymore. It's asking too long. It never makes a real decision. Like, I guessed Naruto, and it took forever. And it kept asking questions even though it was obvious. Also, this looks nothing like the real Akinator. Okay, so hopefully this fixes it. And then we can add this extra thinking. This right here is extended thinking. We're going to turn that on. And let's see if Opus can actually do a good job now. However, while we're talking to Claude, let's check on ChatGPT. You're right. The earlier version was not accurate. I'm not reading your yap, dude. I'm not reading your yap. So let's see if ChatGPT has learned its lesson and if they're actually going to do better this time. Good job. Oh, okay. I'm gonna give you. Oh, sorry. I didn't realize it wasn't done yet. I was about to get irritated, guys. All right, everyone. We are back, and now let's take a look at what ChatGPT has made. What the hell is this? I've never seen an Akinator look. What are you doing, Chat? What the fuck is this? I'm sorry. What the fuck is this? I'm not trying to be ungrateful, but this is dog shit, bro. Okay, we're gonna say I'm gonna guess Rick and Morty. All right, I'm gonna just guess Naruto. Yes. Somewhat. No. No. Yes. Don't know. No. 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 Yes. I don't know. No. 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 See, it's just asking me way too many questions. Like, as you can see, they're 50% sure it's Naruto or Sasuke, but you're not asking me questions. Why are you asking me a comment question if you think it's Naruto or Sasuke? And I've literally said it's from an anime. You know it's not from a comic. So overall, ChatGPT did not do a good job. I'm not gonna keep like answering questions. I'm sure eventually you will understand it's Naruto, but I'm overall very disappointed. Let's take a look at Claude's version. This is terrible. Well, it's better than what ChatGPT made. So let's take a look. Is this some type of elephant? But I'm not gonna lie, it is a lot better than ChatGPT's. At least it's not literally showing me like what's going on behind the scenes. I've never seen Akinator do that. So we're gonna go with Deku from My Hero Academia. Does your character have superpowers? Yes, he does. No, he is not. No. See? No. Nope. 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 Oh. This is cheating. Who was I thinking of? So this is actually impressive. So that's actually pretty similar to the real Akinator. And let's see if when I play this time it will guess Deku. I'm pretty sure it will. If it does, I'm a bit more impressed. But I'm still overall unimpressed by Claude too, because he immediately guessed Naruto. And he didn't even ask me that many questions. He just immediately ran into Naruto. And you see, he's still, so he didn't even really learn. So overall, I am quite unimpressed by both of these models. However, I am very, very sure that if you took your time with these, you could recreate the real Akinator. Especially if you use those models I was talking about, Codex and Claude Code. Overall, these were pretty bad, both of them. But this video was very relatively quick, and you know the real Akinator probably took hundreds of days to develop. This is pretty good for like 10 minutes on each. Claude only took 10 minutes. ChatGPT only took 10 minutes. So overall, I am impressed by the fact that they could even generate all this in like such a fast amount of time. But overall, it is still quite poor. They did not guess the right thing. They guessed too fast at times. The layout was not accurate, and the damn Akinator avatar was definitely not accurate. So overall, these coding models definitely have some work to do. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video still. Let me know any other ideas you guys want to see, and I will see you guys in the next one.